So I'm ready to glue my leaves on that I have cut out. And again, just a couple dabs. I've played around a lot with them to see where I want them to go. Kind of want this petal to be underneath this leaf shape. So I'm just gonna change that up a little bit. Get a little glue on there, it's not a problem. It's up to you whether you want to put the little stems on the top of the larger stem or whether you want to tuck it underneath. It's up to you. Got a little too much glue there, but that's okay. These stems are tiny. They'll go in the drying rack. I think I'll put this one on top there. Perfect. Now, you can add all kinds of other things. You can add a vase, you can add a ground, you can add little insects flying around. You can add whatever you want to add to your sunflower. Maybe you want to add a bumblebee. Maybe you want to add a beautiful butterfly. Whatever you want to add to your collage to make it unique. Have fun with it. When you're finished, we'll take all of our scrap papers. We're going to save these, put them in the scrap bin for someone else to use. We're also going to make sure that we close our glue bottle. And I want to remind you guys that when you put your things away, if you throw everything together, it's kind of hard to find everything. So we have 2 buckets, and one of our buckets is for scissors and glue, and one of our buckets is for pencils and erasers. So let's put all of the pencils and the erasers together so that the next class can find those. And then let's put the glue and the scissors in this one. Make sure the glue is closed, make sure it's standing up, and then you can kind of load those scissors in. One of my students in the other class reminded me that, this one goes in this bucket, reminded me that I want to make sure that our the tips of the scissors are pointing downward. Right, and that's how we clean up our table. Remember to take your artwork and put it on the drying rack.